This is my raw footage, and this is that exact same footage after editing. By the end of this video, you'll know how to do that yourself. Cutting out mistakes, fixing your audio, adding a title, and exporting a video that's ready for YouTube. The software is DaVinci Resolve. It's what real editors use on actual Hollywood films, and the version we're using today is completely free. No trial, no watermark, no catch. And here's my promise. Resolve looks intimidating when you open it, but you only need one small corner of it. I'll show you exactly which parts to use and which parts to completely ignore. Let's edit your first video. First, let's get you the software. Head to Blackmagic Design's website and find the DaVinci Resolve download. Now, careful here. You'll see two options. DaVinci Resolve Studio costs money. Plain DaVinci Resolve is the free one, and it's what we're using. This is not a stripped-down demo. It's the full editor with no watermark and no time limit. Pick your operating system, fill in the quick registration, and install it like any other program. If you want to check out the full tutorial on how to install DaVinci Resolve on your computer, go check out my first video. One heads up. This is professional software, so it's a big download. Start it now, grab a coffee, and meet me back here when it's installed. Let's put your video's name on screen. First, make some room. In your timeline, we want the title to play before your footage starts, so select all your clips and drag them down the timeline to open up a few seconds of empty space at the very beginning. Up in the top toolbar, open the Effects panel and find Titles. You'll see a long list here. Ignore the fancy ones for now and grab the one simply called Text. Drag it into that empty space at the start of your timeline. Now double-click the text in the preview window and type your video's name. Then just click on the empty gap and hit Backspace or Delete to snap everything back into place.
Filled with lies and disguises and cheating. I got just the right sugar to sweeten. Turn it all to the garden.
Opening title, and it already looks more professional than most first videos on YouTube. One last touch before we export. Transitions. Back in the Effects panel, open Video Transitions. Grab Cross Dissolve, the classic gentle fade, and drag it right onto the cut between your title and your first clip. Play it back. Smooth.
This world is so cold and deceiving.
Now here's the advice most tutorials won't give you. Stop there. Beginners love dropping a different flashy transition on every single cut, and it's the fastest way to make a video look amateur. Watch any big YouTuber. Almost every edit is a simple hard cut. Cuts are invisible, transitions get noticed.
Turn it all to the Garden of Eden. I can make the gray turn gold. I can make the sun come out. I can make the bland turn bold. Show you what it's all about.
So use a dissolve for your title, maybe one more if your video changes location or topic, and let plain cuts do everything else. Less is more here. Trust me on this one. Your video is edited. Let's turn it into a real file you can upload. You might notice Resolve has an entire Deliver page for exporting. Professionals use it for fine control, and true to our deal, you get to ignore it. Instead, go to the File menu and choose Quick Export. Resolve gives you ready-made presets, and one of them is built for YouTube. select it, and if it asks for a resolution, pick 1080p. That's the sweet spot for a first video. You may see an option to sign in and upload straight to YouTube. Skip it. We want the file saved to your computer first, so you always have your own copy. Name your file, choose your desktop so you can find it, and hit export. Rendering takes a few minutes depending on your computer, so let it work.
This world is so cold and deceiving, filled with lies and disguise.
And then, there it is. A finished, edited video file made by you. And that's it. You just edited a real video, cut your mistakes, fixed your audio, added a title, and exported a file that's ready for the world. If you haven't recorded your footage yet, my first video walks you through making your video from idea to upload, and the thumbnail video shows you how to make it look clickable. Both are right here. Next up, we're unlocking a whole new type of video, screen recording. How to capture what's happening on your computer screen so you can make tutorials, walkthroughs, and how-to videos of your own. But before you go, tell me in the comments, what's the #1 thing stopping you from publishing your first video? I read every comment, and your answer might become a future video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.